friends, we're gonna build some ladders. This is a piece of this is a fence board cut in half. The ladder's 48 inches tall. The inside rungs are 11 and a half inches wide, and they're 9 inches apart. So I'm painting this red. It was nailed and glued. When my husband put it together, he built a spacer that was the size 9 inches to space them apart so he knew how far they were going. So we're gonna just paint it and add some embellishments, some garlands, some lights. These can be done for all different holidays or for every day. I picture this next to a fireplace, next to a Christmas tree, or on your front porch. So let your imagination run wild.